Hello, you can call me Umpelo Wasemhlengikazi. Today the topic we'll be touching is very delicate and very critical. Lapha sizobheka indaba yesimo sikamoya ukuthi umoya usebenza kanjani kumuntu. And whereby ukuthi unake kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi uma sekwenzeka, because chances are umoya wakho useduze kakhulu and kahle kahle usufuna ukusebenza ngawo. But kuba nzima kakhulu ukuthi sikubone lokho based on izinto esisuke sidlula kuzo. Umoya will let you go through something ngoba ufuna ukukufundisa. Umoya will let you ukuthi go through kwangempela empilweni ngale ndlela yokuthi usubonile ukuthi yazini kahle kahle impilo akusiye yami, noma ubone engathi yazini kahle kahle mina nginamabhadi nginamasha uzohamba uyohlola kwasho kacima kuphume ngempela ukuthi hhayi wenze ukuthi usibanibani efanele wenze ukuthi kanti umoya ugodukisa nje wona sidala. Ugodukisa umoya ngenxa yokuthi kusukhona lento omele uyifunde kuleyo nto. But thing is, uma sigo through kuyona leyo nto sesiphathi naso isimo esithile, angeke size sikubone lokho. Akufiki kuthina emcabangeni ukuthi maybe there's something engifundiswa yona la, maybe there's something engimele ngiyibone kulesi simo lesi engikusona. Lokho ukubona after kwanakho manje ususesimeni esikahle. Once sekusona vele kuba nzima kakhulu for everyone, for nami kuba nzima kakhulu the time sakuyona situation ukuthi ukwazi ukubona the bigger picture. The only picture nosukuyona ile picture lo usukuyona ngaleso sikhathi. That's the only thing that you see. You might even come to a point whereby when ubone ngazi ukuthi nje no yazini alikho ngisho ikusasa la. Ubone manje ukuthi no yazini sekuphelile ngami. Ekubeni kungekho njalo. Ekubeni ulungisela okukhulu kunalokho wena okufisayo ukubona kungaphumeleli ngaleso sikhathi. Iyakukhulisa in such a way that izokudala ukuthi wena uzi unfold wena, uzibone wena izinto obungazazi ngawe. You will find your weaknesses and your strengths, izinto obungeke uzuyithola uba udlulanga kuleso simo. Remember, and ngathi futhi ungahlala uyinotice leyo nto ukuthi what you are going through something, if you are going through something, ukuthi khona izinto ezithile oyibonayo obungazange uzuyibone ungekho kusona leso simo. That is how umoya oyibona ukwazi ukwambulela ngisho nanabantu. The time sokusona leso simo kuningi izinto ey'velayo, vele ngisho nanabantu abakhaphelayo, vele ngisho nanabantu ubuyitshela ukuthi wena banawe ngaleso sikhathi, only for them ukuthi baziveze uma wena usudlula kusona leso simo. Ubuzobabona nini kube wena awuyitholanga kusona leso simo, ukuba umoya ukufanga kusona leso simo, umoya ukufaka kwizimo ukuze izokufundisa something. So search for leyo nto, noma ngabe kuthiwa impilo yakho inzima kangakanani ngaleso sikhathi, search for le nto leyo umoya ezama ukwembula kuwena. Umoya will let you cry night after night ngoba ufuna ukuthi ucinge ukuthi ungakuphi. And if ungawucingi, you can even forget about ukudlula kuleyo nto. Ufuna ukuthi ugoqe phansi ngedolo ukhumbule inkabi ukuthi ingakephi. Ngoba usuke usuduke kakhulu, usukude kakhulu nempilo, usukhohlwe lokho mhlawumbe wabekelwa kona wena. So that is whereby usuyayithola-ke manje ususesimeni esimbi. Ngenxa yokuthi khona le ndawo leyo ufike wayikhohlwa, so izokubuyisela ukuthi hayibo nangu sekakhohlwa simphathise kona. Hayibo nangu sekakhohlwa ukuthi sifike simnikeza imali ukuthi enze ukuthi yena usebona okunye. Bakuphuce leyo mali leyo kube ngathi awukwazi uyithole kwanhlobo leyo mali. Yes, kube ngathi awukwazi uyithola leyo mali, because they're trying to remind you your purpose. They're trying to remind you lento wena owabapromisa yona ukuthi uzoyenza noma uzoyiphelelisa. So uzowucinga umoya. Abazana ukuthi the more sisebunzimeni lapho esikhumbula khona uNkulunkulu, the more sisebunzimeni lapho esigoqa khona phansi ngedwa, the more sisebunzimeni lapho esikhumbula khona ikhaya. So that is why we go through some things. We go through some things ngenxa yokuthi umoya kukhona into ethile efuna ukusambulela yona. So we were too distracted by lezi zinto lezi besinazo ngokwenyama. Izinto esinazo ngokwenyama distracts us in such a way that umoya sawukhohlwa nanokuthi ukhona. Kanti ukhona umoya. Umoya will remind you that ukhona noma ngabe yiphi indlela. And then once you learn that it's not about abanye abantu and it's about you, that's where you will heal. ungaboni ukuthi usibanibani uyakuthikameza noma usibanibani ukwenza ukuthi yini lento ozama ukuvezelwa yona. Kahle kahle lento isuke ingawe, yonke into eyenzana empilweni yakho ingawe, ayisiyo ngomunye umuntu. So how they are treating you ingawe. Why are you allowing to be treated that way? Uma uzama ukwambulela ukuthi uzicinge wena, once you learn that it's not about abanye abantu, it is about you, that's when you start to heal. Ukuthi usibanibani wakwenza kabi, wena akakahili, wena fanele uyihile wena, shuthi wena uneqhubu, wena kumele uyilungise, wena bamba amaqhubu. People will do whatever they want. You can never control impilo zabanye abantu, but the only life that you can control is your life. And umoya will remind you that ekuthenini nabantu labo usudepende kubona nobathembayo nowabona bebakhulu ukudlula umoya wakho bazokukhaphela bona. Truth, it's not their intention, but i-universe nomoya kudale ukuthi kwenzeke in that way ukuze wena uzokubona, ukuze wena uzophenduka ufocuse lapho omele ufocuse khona. When you lose focus, umoya will make sure that ifocus yakho uyayithola. Spirit will break you to heal you. Spirits will add salt esilondeni so that you will heal kahle. Spirits will make you so vulnerable in such a way that usuphila ngokukamoya kuphela. So vulnerable that inyama seyifile, inyama iyafa ukuze umoya uzowuqonda kahle. Yonke into leyo ilangazela ngokwenyama, konke lokho kuza kuphela. Spirits make sure that imizwa yenyama, the anger, the lust, konke udila nakho face to face before ukuthatha ikuyise lapho ofuna khona wona. That is how spirits work. That is how umoya usebenza ngayo. That is how isithunywa sisebenza ngayo. So ngayibona ugothruwa, mntana kamoya, ngayibona ugothruwa, mntana ethongo. There is a reason about the concept of indaba yokuthwasa and everything like that. Inceke khona lapho. That's where it comes from. That's where it comes from. Ukuthi uyayidela into yenyama, ukuthi ufocuse kumoya, ukuthi umoya manje usizokuphilisa. You become so vulnerable that uyabona yazini ayikho lento le. You remember umkhuleko wafundiswa esawukazi sakho sasemncane, into obungasayenzi. You remember lesa sibani sakho sesithola ulwembo lapho khoneni, into obungasayenzi. You remember ikhaya ngoba sephela ubumnandi emqashweni. Spirits will remind you ukuthi usuka kuphi. Spirits will remind you i-purpose wena owazela yona lapha. So they make sure that you are ready. So when ubhekana with any challenges, you are well acquainted naleyo nto leyo. Umoya usukuthatha manje usukufikisa lapho ufuna khona, wena ufike ubhekane nalesimo ungakabhekani naso. Manje usuyadedela lapha phambili usukunikezile. No, umoya ufuna ukuthi ube careless. So that is why umoya will train you. Expect ukutshela ukuthi njengamanje this is a training. We are expected to be told ukuthi what you are going through is a lesson. Find i-lesson kulento ogothruwa kuyona. That's why uzoshesha ukudlula kuyona, ushesha ufunda kuyona. Nathi sinyesheshe sikudlulise nakulo ndawo, because ifuna ukufinyelisa lapho lifinyelele khona. You can't tell me that sonke lapha emhlabeni uma wena hlupheka wadalela uhlupheka, wena wadalela ukuthi umoya wakho ungakhona ukusondelana nawo. No, bheka wena ukuthi kephi lapho osala khona. In most cases khona lapho wena osala khona. So ilokho nje ngizokusho namhlanje. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.